Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can remove your Gmail account. It's a very easy process, so let's get started. First, open up your settings, then scroll down and click on Google. Next, click on your profile. Here you'll see a small taskbar. Click on Manage Accounts on this device. Once you're there, click on your Gmail account. Now you'll see the option Remove Account. Click on Remove Account. Then once again, click on Remove Account to confirm. And that's it. Your account is successfully deleted. If you go back into your Gmail app, you'll see that there is no Gmail account in there anymore. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.